Hey Griffin, so today is day 12. We're going to focus on long division today, okay? I know you all love long division. That's why I made this video especially for you. So when we do long division, remember our steps here are to do divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, and then repeat here. So on your packet, you have like a little model for you that shows you. You divide, you see how many times your number on outside of the house goes into the first number. Once you figure it out, you say, okay, I know 3 can go into 7 twice. I write it on top. I multiply. I put what I multiplied on the bottom here. Then I subtract vertically up and down, okay? 7 minus 6 is 1. Bring down the 5. And then you start all over again and repeat the process, okay? So using your long division, okay, techniques that we did before you left for spring break, okay? So I'm gonna go over an example problem here so I can really show you how this is gonna work out, okay? So our first problem here is 9 into 864. So I start off by asking myself, does 9 here go into 8? Well, 9 does not go into 8, right? So I needed to go bigger. Does 9 go into 86? And you can say, yes, 9 does go into 86, but how many times? Well, maybe you don't know. Maybe you say you're like, okay, I don't know what times 9 is 86 or somewhere near that. So you can just start by doing 5. So 9 times 5 is going to be 45, okay? Well, 45 is still too low, so I need to go up higher. So 9 times 6, okay? 9 times 6 is 54, okay? We're still pretty far off. Let me try 9 times 8, okay? 9 times 8. 9 times 8 is going to give you 72. Maybe we're getting close. Remember, you want to get a number that's really, really close, but not like too high off, right? You want to get as close as possible. Let's try 9 times 9. If you do that, you're going to get 81, okay? 81 looks like it works here. Let's just go up one more to see why I can't use 9 times 10. 9 times 10 is 90. Notice here, by this point here, it has gone over 84, so we can't use that because it's too high. So we're going to use 9. So we use our steps. We just did the division. I write my 9 on top over all the way I went to, right? I did 86, so I put it over that 6. I multiply. 9 times 9 is 81. Draw my line, I subtract. 86 minus 81 is 5. Bring it on down, having a party down here, 54. So, after I get to this point here, you ask, am I done? The answer should be, no, I'm not done, because I still have 54 down here I need to get rid of. So, I say to myself, how many times does 9 go into 54? Well, look here, we already did it off on the side. 9 times 6 is 54. So I can write my 6 here above the 4. It's very important that you keep the order in these here. I do 9 times 6. 9 times 6 is 54. I subtract. 54 minus 54 is 0, okay? Then you can ask myself, am I done, right? Am I done? I have 0 out, and the answer is yes, you are done. Because if you have nothing else left, you have no remainders, that means 9 goes into 864 96 times, okay? So using your steps here, make sure you can go look back at your model to really help you out. Go ahead and get started on your guided practice. Good luck.